Michael Faraday. Michael Faraday is remembered for his achievements in the fields of electrochemistry and electromagnetism. This English scientist discovered electrolysis, electromagnetic induction, etc. He had a civil law degree from Oxford University to his credit. His discovery of magnetic field and a direct current conductor is considered very vital in physics. The invention of the electric motor was developed from his discovery of electromagnetic rotary devices. Faraday proved the relation between light rays and magnetism. He also developed the concept of diamagnetism and researched upon the chlorine clathrate hydrate. His Faraday cage effect is vital in the field of static electricity. His discoveries in chemistry included Bunsen burner, benzene, etc. Major terms in chemistry such as ion, cathode, electrode, anode, etc. were coined by him. He was the pioneer chemistry professor in the Royal Institute of Great Britain and served there until his death. The modern-day use of electricity is credited to his discoveries and efforts. Mikhail Timofeyevich Kalashnikov. Mikhail Timofeyevich Kalashnikov was born on 10th November 1919. He was a Russian arms designer who designed various types of small arms. His very famous designs are the AK-47, AKM, and AK-74 assault rifles. Mikhail Kalashnikov was 2 times named as Hero of Socialist Labor. He was awarded an Order of St. Andrew the Protoclet in 1998. On 10 November 2009, Kalashnikov was named a Hero of the Russian Federation. This was the 90th birthday of Mikhail Timofeyevich Kalashnikov. He was offered with a medal by President Dmitry Medvedev, who gave him for creating the brand every Russian is proud of. He also received Lenin Prize, Stalin Prize, State Prize of the Russian Federation, and many more. He also gave so many quotes. One of the famous quotes is, "My work is my life, and my life is my work. I invented this assault so that my country may be safe. Today, I am proud for that." Muhammad ibn Jabir al-Harani al-Batani. Muhammad ibn Jabir al-Harani al-Batani was nicknamed as Albertinius. He was a famous Muslim astronomer, astrologer, and mathematician. He invented a number of trigonometric relations. His greatest achievement was to determine the solar year. He found out that it has 365 days, 5 hours, 46 minutes, and 24 seconds. The new tables of the sun and the moon were compiled by him. He discovered the direction of the sun's apogee. He independently introduced the use of signs in calculation and put a partial effort on the tangents. He had also been successful in calculating the values of equinoxes and the obliquity of the ecliptic. Copernicus, Kepler, and Galileo mentioned him in their works. Kitab az-Zij is his most important work. This work put emphasis on Ptolemy's theory. In this book, he gave the description of a quadrant instrument or the observation tube. His work has been translated in both Spanish and Latin. The moon crater Albertinius was named after him. Neil Arrant. Neil Arrant was a popular Scottish physician. He completed his graduation from the University of Aberdeen. At the age of 19, he was appointed as a full-time working surgeon. He provided his service to the British East India Company and made 2 voyages to China. Within a short period of time, he became well known in his profession and was a founding member of the London University. In 1837, he became the personal physician to the Queen and was elected as the Fellow of the Royal Society shortly. Neil Arrant had a deep love and affection for natural philosophy. In 1832, he invented the waterbed. This was later used as a water-filled chair to treat seasickness. Arrant stove and Arrant ventilator are his 2 most promising inventions. Elements of Physics was an important book by him. He published several other books on physical science and its application. Neil Arrant remained one of the greatest medical persons of his time. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.